Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting product to dive into, the Corsair 4000D airflow tempered glass mid-tower ATX PC case. If you're on the quest for an immaculate high-performance PC build, the Corsair 4000D is here to meet your needs. It combines innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and Corsair's renowned build quality. Let's talk cable management. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system simplifies the process, allowing you to route your major cables through a single channel. Plus, there's a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all your cables, ensuring a clean-looking build. Cooling matters, and the 4000D doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with two Corsair 120mm air guide fans designed with anti-vortex vanes. These fans not only enhance cooling but also concentrate airflow where you need it most. Need even more cooling power? This case has you covered. With space for up to 6x120mm or 4x140mm cooling fans and multiple radiator placements, including a 360mm in the front and a 280mm in the roof, you can push your system to the limits. Corsair has thought of everything. The 4000D has wider fan mount cutouts for fan placement customization and flexibility. Plus, you can show off your high-end memory modules without worrying about clearance issues. Storage is essential, and this case offers all the options you need. It can accommodate up to 2x 2.5-inch SSDs and 2x 3.5-inch HDDs. You can even move the SSD trays to the front PSU cover for convenience. Want to showcase your GPU? No problem. The 4000D is vertical GPU mount ready, complete with included vertical PCIe slots and a screw mount for a Corsair PCI Express 3.0 extension cable. Modern connections are within easy reach with the front I/O panel. It includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio, microphone jack. And for those who love to showcase their high-profile components and RGB lighting, the 4000D features an easy slide-on, slide-off side panel, perfect for quick access. In a compact yet efficient design, the Corsair 4000D Airflow offers excellent potential for expansion without becoming cumbersome. It's a mid-tower ATX case that ticks all the boxes for cable management, cooling, and aesthetics. So, there you have it, folks. The Corsair 4000D Airflow tempered glass mid-tower ATX PC case is a true gem for PC builders and enthusiasts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Got questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments below or connect with us on social media. This is the UK Pro Reviewer, signing off. Stay cool and keep building with Corsair. Until next time.